You may have noticed it, but things are getting a bit more expensive these days. Food, clothing, and of course, tech. But sometimes, marketing has also its part of responsibility, by creating needs that we didn't even have initially. So, do we always need to spend more, when some more affordable devices already nail the basics? When something like the CMF Phone 2 Pro exists? Convenience embracing a strong visual identity. That's how I could describe the design. The large dimensions are compensated by its thin and high profile, while the rounded edges prevent any discomfort once in the hands. While the dual tone and texture, as well as the screws on the back, set it apart in the mobile landscape. This vision, we also feel it through the software. Monochromatic interface, distinctive design elements and typo. Nothing OS doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, preferring instead to add its own personal touch through subtle changes, thereby minimizing the risk of a cluttered experience. The result is a smooth experience, XM haptic feedback, and nicely designed apps and widgets. Then, there is the essential key, a physical key allowing you to record a voice or written note, which you can combine or not with a screenshot. Stored in the essential space, the AI will then extract any relevant information from these notes.
While it sounds super convenient on paper, two short comments really prevent me from adopting it on a daily basis.
The content displayed on my phone can indeed be a source of interest, just like the one I can see outside of it. So wouldn't it be even nicer if I could also capture it through the lenses? Samsung Notes, UpNote, Notion. The appeal of these notes-taking apps lies in their wide availability across different platforms. Smartphones are perfectly suited for capturing information, but bigger devices are certainly better at synthesizing them. And currently, with nothing and CMF offering, there is no bigger device than this phone. Another annoyance, accidental triggers with this key occur a bit too often given its proximity with the power button. On the other side, I can't complain about the display. Symmetrical bezels, a rarity at this price, reliable and fast fingerprint reader, high peak brightness and refresh rate. Watching content on this phone is a real pleasure, and I can hardly ask for more in this segment. Not to mention that its good color calibration makes it suitable for photo editing. A telephoto lens is something almost unheard of in this segment, and that's a big deal. It performs surprisingly well in daylight, with nice details and even a bit of bokeh thanks to its bright aperture. Highlight recovery is slightly worse compared to the main lens, but still, in favorable conditions, it is by far my favorite one. In low light, however, this lens design becomes questionable due to the lack of OIS. Although you can still get some nice shots, the high occurrence of blurry shots makes you wonder if a digital crop from a stabilized main lens wouldn't have produced better results. I could stop here, but it will be overlooking a feature that, in my opinion, elevates the shooting experience: LUT support. To put it simply, this allows you to import and use custom camera presets with endless possibilities in terms of color tuning, created by you or by the community by simply scanning the associated QR code. While it won't totally erase the previously described weaknesses, it remains an important addition, because as a hobby, photography should also be fun. This last aspect sorta sums up how I feel about this phone. A nice piece of hardware supported by clever ideas to cope with the inevitable compromises in this price range. The outcome is a device that feels surprisingly well-rounded for its price. Is it flawless? No. Mono speakers or slow charging may be deal breakers for some, but for the others, do we always need to spend more to enjoy a convincing experience? Absolutely not.